Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn into a werewolf in Crow Garden game of Roblox. Okay, as you can see guys, I'm turning into werewolf, and if you want to turn into a werewolf, you need to have wolf on your garden. Okay, when you are a wolf, you can fly. And I'm going to show you the wolf pet guys. Wait, I'm going to click on the wolf pad. Wait guys. Okay, this one. And I'm going to show you the ability. And this pad can give you moonlight mutation. And it can turn yourself into a werewolf. And you can fly. And if you want to get the wolf guys, you can go to the Halloween market, which appear every hour. And you can buy the wolf from there, from the Halloween market. And yeah, I think it's OP guys, and I think it's better than the dark spraygun, because the cooldown time is only 4 minutes. Yeah, it's quick, and I recommend you to have it on your garden. Okay guys, and that's how you can turn into a werewolf in Crow Garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.